Hi, this is Rita. Welcome back to another video. I hope you are doing well. So in the last video, we create a website. If you don't know how to create this, please watch my previous videos so you will know. Okay, so this is this video is about how to get your logo. You don't need to go a person and say that please make a logo for me. Don't go to any other platform like Upwork or anywhere. Just do it by yourself. If you can create a website, you can create also your logo. You don't need to go somewhere and say that please make a logo for me. So I'm gonna tell you how you can create a logo for yourself. You don't need to create by yourself and download the Adobe Photoshop or something like that. You can create automatically by Google. Okay, so how you can do that? Let's start. What you have to do, go on Google and search for, I'm not gonna give you a specific website. You have to give time, like you have to give a lot of time to get a good logo for your website according to your color schemes and your website colors. Okay, so what you have to do, go on Google and write here free logo maker for website. Okay, just like that, and you from here you can find a lot of free. What you have to do, check them 10 check them ton by ton. So this is a logo maker that provide you a free logo. Okay, what you have to do, just write the name of your website here. For example, I just write here website. I don't gonna with a specific name. Okay, I'm gonna with Ria Tech. Okay, so I go with and create and click on create logo. Okay, so if you want to write a category, for example, what type of website is yours, just write here. For example, your website is about technology. Write here technology and click on search. So they will provide you a lot of, but now you have to do one thing, just pick what you like. For example, this one you can see. Okay, as I click on that, what they do that, they give me a lot of free, uh, they provide me some free colors and more thing. If you don't want that thing, you can delete. For example, you don't want that, just delete it. Click on delete it to delete. So if you don't want that, just delete it. So you can see we have simply this one, just download it. Okay, okay, you need to log in with the email. Okay, they charge. Okay, they charge, like if you want that logo you have to pay $4. Okay, so here is trick. If this kind of issue will occur, what you have to do as a beginner, now we're gonna know. Okay, what you have to do, go in search and search here snip and sketch. What you have to do, click on new. This is for the beginners who really don't want to get paid for now. Just do that. Okay, just take a pic of your logo closely. Just take a pic of your logo just like that. Okay, don't worry, I'm gonna tell you what you have to do next. As you download this, okay, as you get this, what you have to do, go here and search here background remove, and just remove the background of the image. Okay, Okay, now you can see they download, they remove the background. I'm gonna tell you how to you can upload your logo here. For example, I'm gonna tell you how to do this. Just click on edit site. Click on your logo, click on replace, upload, select the image, open. Click on save. Remove the color. Okay. Click on save, refresh it, and you can see our logo is ready. This is how you can download a professional logo. If they are called like that, you have to pay or something like that. Just use this trick as a beginner, and you can do until you got like a paid version, or you can have say until you can't pay. Just use this trick and get a free professional logo. Okay, you can also visit one or more website. For example, this one is the first website. Okay, I'll give you Canva also provide you some logo. Okay, so okay, from here you will get a lot of logos, but they are not free. Such here like technology, and you will find a lot of logo here, but some are paid and some are not. For example, like this one. See, you can write your website name here. For example, I write here tech here. Okay, just like that. If you don't want the damn thing, delete it. You can customer, but okay, they are paid. You can't use it. You can also search here computer. Mostly are paid here. For example, this one is like, but the logo that I upload here, I think this one is good. Okay, so this is how it's work. If you have any query and question, ask me in comment. I will help you. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in another video.